Hey guys, welcome back to the lab. Today at the bench, I am adhering this original 1880s leather back down onto the book, onto the new material that I added to be the replacement spine. And so what I am doing is I am using a micro spatula and I'm applying the adhesive to my hand so I can get an appropriate amount on that micro spatula and slip it up under the leather. For the most part, an appropriate amount. And I actually use a second micro spatula to just lift up gently on the leather so I can get up under it with this adhesive. And I'm sure to clean up any excess because once it's dry, it will show. And I'll use a Q-tip and then I will use a small micro spatula to do cleanup. And then I'll apply a piece of board and some weight and let this first side dry overnight. And the next morning I will come back and do the same thing on the other side. So you'll see I check to make sure that the leather is completely loose and free. There's no impediments to me sliding the glue up under it. Because once I start this process, it's kind of hard to stop in the middle and fix anything. All right, I clean up the excess on this side as well, both with my fingers and with a micro spatula. And then I weight it and clean up more adhesive that has come out underneath the leather. And then I apply a weight. So I triple check and remove any adhesive that's coming out. I think it looks really untidy if it dries, and it's not where it's supposed to be. So I'm careful to clean up. And that was a really short video this week of me gluing that down. Be sure to like and subscribe to show the lab some love, and tune in next week for the next episode on this book. Thanks.